Gone behind it as well.
I'm scared it. Bite the balls like the dogs yesterday in that movie. We're just sneaking up on this stork. It's probably gonna see us and fly away. Probably sees us as a threat. Let's just see. Yeah. Okay, slow down, slow down. No sudden movements. Oh, it's just had a kind of Sprite. What's that kind of beer? It's probably drunk in it. Yep. We've not got any bread. Yeah, it's probably here for the fish. If you want fish, Park Road, mate. Okay, let's get a bit closer. Brave. Ziggy, you feeling brave? Oh, it's gonna. No, you're gonna set you off. You wanna do it that way? Oh, Ziggy, you scared it off, man. Okay.
How's your job like that?
Did it?
Yeah, like, you know, it's not naked.
You scared it off again. Get out! You're not from here. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is.
Must be a Tommy Robinson bed.
Tommy Robinson, man. Come for a visit. Come for a visit. No, it's probably not used to people.
Yeah, he's going back to his old spot.
No.